Today, I'll show you how to verify PayPal account. First, open the PayPal app on your phone, or go to PayPal in your browser. Sign in using your email address or mobile number and password. Before starting, make sure you are using the official PayPal app or website. Do not use links from random emails or messages. Once you are signed in, check your account home screen. If PayPal needs you to verify anything, you may see a notification, alert, or bell icon. Tap or click it to see what PayPal is asking for. In many cases, verifying your PayPal account means adding and confirming a bank account, debit card, or credit card. PayPal says verification proves that you own the financial details connected to your account. To start, go to Wallet. Choose Link a Bank or Link a Card. If you are linking a bank, enter your bank details and follow the instructions. PayPal may let you confirm the bank instantly, or it may send two small deposits to your bank account. If PayPal uses small deposits, check your bank statement within a few business days, then return to PayPal and enter the exact amounts to confirm the bank. If you are linking a card, enter the card number, expiration date, security code, and billing address. PayPal may ask you to confirm the card with a small temporary charge or a confirmation code. Follow the instructions shown in your PayPal wallet. PayPal may also ask you to confirm your identity. If this appears, open the notification or go to the identity confirmation page. You may need to upload a government-issued ID and proof of address. PayPal says document review usually takes around 2 business days, but it can sometimes take longer. Make sure your documents are clear, complete, and match the name and address on your PayPal account. Yeah, after submitting everything, check your email and PayPal notifications for updates. If PayPal asks for more information, provide it through the official app or website. So, to keep it simple, open PayPal, go to Wallet, add and confirm your bank or card, complete any identity checks, upload documents if required, and wait for PayPal to approve the verification. And that's how you verify PayPal account. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.